Welcome to our beginner's guide on creating Midjourney AI art. Midjourney is an excellent tool that allows you to create stunning images in no time. In this beginner's tutorial, we will show you the basics of creating pictures with Midjourney. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel if you want more educational content. The first step to start using Midjourney is to create a Discord account. You can download the app for free or use it right in your browser. Simply enter your nickname, email, and the password to get started. Once you have signed up for an account, you need to go to midjourney.com and click Join. Then press Accept Invite in your Discord. Go to the Midjourney site, press Sign In, and it will bring you to the gallery of your AI images. It's empty because we haven't created anything yet. You can also click on the Community Showcase if you want to explore pictures created by other people. Now let's open a Midjourney Discord. Here you will see different rooms, where you can ask for support, read the rules, read about recent changes, etc. To use the Midjourney, go to one of the newbies rooms. Right here enter / and write Imagine. In this little gray box you can write what you want Midjourney to create for you. As you can see, there are a lot of pictures created by other people in this room. So let's create our own channel. Then go back to the Midjourney, click on the bot name and select Add to a server. Now we can use it right here. Let's try to create a retro 3D icon. Wait a bit until Midjourney completes the render. As you can see, we have 4 different images. If you want to recreate your images with the same prompt, just click on this button on the right side. Midjourney will start to render other variations of your initial prompt. Also, you can use U buttons if you want to upscale one of your images. Or hit one of the V buttons if you want to create some variations of the image you like more. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, you can create unique AI art using the Midjourney. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our channel for more useful content.